Ha?
Saan tayo?
Mukhang ano tayo eh. Tuloy pa talaga tayo.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my...
Saan ba kasi tayo pupunta?
Home service nga tayo. Home service tayo. Medyo malayo yung home service natin. Nakahanap akong client eh. For freelance. Film niya ang gagamitin. Tumal sa shop eh.
Sa lagay din. Kahit may 10 na kapila.
Ang daming naiiwang trabaho.
Boss, nagsisingkin na ba sa'yo yung gagawin mo ngayon?
Hindi pa bukas pa magsisingkin pagkaharap na natin. Wala akong home court advantage. Parang hindi ako marunong mag-squeegee.
Paano ulit hawakan mo?
Paano nga to? Paano nga to? Kailangan ng win. Kailangan ng win. Magsimula tayo.
Kasi, hood mo na hood.
Hood muna. Dali na yung
paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. I know, I'm a hustler.
Nahihina ako. Nahihina ako, bro. Mamaya na ako magsasabing we made it. Paglabas sa ating immigration. Baka mamaya nandito na. Mamaya, palabasin tayo ulit.
Take off, I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, I'll be eating Kobe steak hot. La da da, got that fish sushi grade raw. La la la, I'm on vacation, I'ma stay off.
We are here sa Japan. A few months ago, I made a promise to a friend. Gagawin ko yung kotse niya. Ishigawa, you want? I put PPF.
Okay. Please.
Guys, magbi-BPF. Ay, panis.
Let's go.
When schedule?
When coming?
Don't try this guy.
Pinol yung bluff ko.
Don't try this guy.
Actually, nagyayabang lang ako na. A promise is a promise. So, tend to keep my promise. So, now I'm on my way to him. So, freelance ako ngayon. Freelance ako na installer ng PPF. Medyo napasubo ako dun sa yabang ko. Pero okay lang. Paninindigan natin yun. Laban naman. Shit, McLaren pala.
Let's go, it's time to be the GOAT. It's time to enter God mode, man, let's get it going. I wanna be the greatest, energy is overflowing. I know I'm stoking the fire, my desire's taking over. Not tired, I'm inspired, rewired. I know just what is required.
Back here in Japan, back in March, they asked me if I could wrap a car for them. And I said yes, siyempre, nag-promise ako. Actually, nagyayabang lang ako nung time na yon. Hindi ko akalaing magkakatotoo, pero dito na tayo ngayon eh. So, promise is a promise. I went back here to Japan to do a car. He told me usually they do pre-cut installs. And I shared with him na ako, personally, I prefer yung bulk install. So, ngayon, the challenge is to do this in bulk. Wala akong alalay ngayon, wala akong kasama, solo flight to. Ako, sinuwerte lang din siguro. Pero, this is a McLaren 765 LT. Wow, challenge accepted naman, pero game. Simulan na natin.
So we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. And we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. I hope you're ready for battle. You better get on the saddle. We got some demons to tackle. Yeah. We about to put on a show. These haters don't even know. They're in too deep like a hole. And they about to find out what it means when you enter into my house. How it feels when you always seem to strike out. Cause I don't lose, no I win, I go all out.
Shopping muna tayo kasi naghahanap ako nung blade na ginagamit natin back in Manila. Hindi ako sanay dun sa blade na ginagamit nila dito eh. Kaya medyo nakakailang. Kailangan maghanap ng similarities. Ayun, ito. Okay. Maybe, sige, I'll try this one. Sheet, no. I think that's different. Ano kaya tsura nito? It's like that. Okay, let's try this. Let's try. Maybe I get two. Okay, we can try this. Start. Galit na galit. Dito tayo sa main shop ni Nishikawa. If-flex lang niya sa atin yung kakatapos lang niya. So, common car sa Philippines. Very common. Mga 5 na yung ginawa. Hindi na ako nagpapapasok ng ganyan sa shop kasi nakaka-cheap. Masabi niyo mga magkano? 60 million yen? 50 million yen nga lang eh. Mura. Pwede, di ba? Kahit bili ako 5. Okay, so today is day 2 of the McLaren project. Finishing up yung sinimulan ko nung day 1, which are the fenders, hood. Subukan natin gawin yung, I'm thinking yung quarter panels niya eh. Unang nakita ko to parang madali lang to eh. Bang ginagawa ko na parang mahirap pala siya. Hindi, lang siguro, namamahay lang. Walang home court advantage eh. Siyempre, namimiss ko yung tools ko, namimiss ko yung setting. Medyo nag-adjust pa. Medyo hindi pa tayo komportable talaga. And I feel na nagtatranslate yun sa work. Gusto kong unahin yung mga easier panels para mag-build ng konting confidence bago tayo mag-proceed dun sa harder panels, which in this case are the doors and of course yung bumpers.
Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time. Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up. Look at you all made up. Dirty thoughts are seeping into my mind. I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking. It's making them crazy, she know how to move. She said she's ready to party. Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping a model. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush. And everything that we taste feels like a drug. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Gion Logistics Center sa Japan in Shiga. Wow! So all your orders, when they arrive, they go here. Redefined na. Wow. Okay, pick up point lang. And there also, 6 pallets of silk dryers. Silk dryer also, silk dryer. And here also, one more pallet, silk dryer. Very nice. Logistics center. Hindi pa pala tapos, silk dryer din to lahat eh. Nakakalungkot talaga. Pag dumadalaw ka nakaka-depress talaga. Totoo naman, nakaka-inspire, something to work for. No, hopefully someday marating natin tong level na to. Kasi very, very impressive siya. Na narating niya to, I think he's been with Gion for more than 8 years already. Okay, so update lang sa McLaren project natin. Day 2, medyo nakakuha tayo ng konting momentum, medyo nagkaroon na ng konting win, medyo familiar na sa gamit. So we were able to do the rear bumper and the quarter panels Well, ang number one na na-appreciate ko sa shop ko versus dito is yung presence ng race ramps. Kasi wala siya, dito in this particular space, wala siyang ramp or wala siyang lifter. So you have to go under, talaga higa ka talaga sa sahig to do the lower parts of the car. So yun yung nami-miss ko talaga tremendously yun sa shop. With regards dun sa pressure, no, nakasama itong trip natin dito and itong project na to kasi syempre in my mind, we are held to a very, very high standard. We were asked to go here to do a very special car. Especially tomorrow, sa day 4 natin, darating si Steph. Steph is a Gion brand ambassador. He is the PPF trainer for Gion also. He has his own shop. He's from Netherlands. So, ang name ng shop niya is Exclusive Car Care Netherlands. So, yun yung main shop niya. So, aside from that, he goes around to do PPF training for Gion. I'm pretty sure he will see the car that I'm working on. If may time, baka makijump siya sa akin ng konti para mabawasan ng konti. Added pressure yun. No, personally, kasi syempre yung one of my mentors is coming in. I know, makikita niya to. So, medyo gusto ko gandahan yung gawa. So, today is day 3. We will try to do the doors, the front bumper. 1 o'clock na. Sayang oras. Marami pa akong gagawin.
Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough.
It's the end of the day here in Japan, so we're finally done with the McLaren 765 LT. Full body Gion PPF. Took us multiple days to finish. Big shout out kay Steph for helping out. Of course, very difficult to install PPF dito sa kotse na to. Very provided yung complexities and curves ng kotse. And not to mention yung added pressure. But we were able to get her done. I'm very happy naman with how it turned out, and I think matutuwa naman yung owner sa kinalabasan niya. So once again, thank you Steph for helping me finish the car. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you dito sa friends natin here in Japan for being so hospitable, taking good care of us. No? So the food is amazing always. People are amazing. So I guess that concludes our video. Thank you again for the opportunity to work on nice cars like this. No? So if you like yung videos namin, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and as they say here in Japan, sayonara.
When I feel drained, a true man pushes through, you don't hear complaints. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep